Well, the summer season is around the corner, and because of the very high temperatures in the northern part of India, it is essential that you keep yourself equipped with a healthy diet and a nutrient-rich diet. However, since we are always on the go because of the competitive times, we are not able to give ourselves the gift of good health, even by eating the healthy foods. So, we thought of sharing with you some easy to make drinks that are super good for you, and it is good for your entire health, especially for improving your digestion and immunity, which is probably the most hit part of your health during the summer season. So let's get started right away. So how to get started with the drink number one? Number one is flaxseed water. Take a glass of water, add a few roasted flax seeds to it. Roasted flax seeds are easily available in the market, or you can also roast them on your own at home. So add the flax seeds and let them soak overnight. Drink the water next morning. Flaxseed is commonly used to improve your digestive health and relieve constipation. It may also help in lowering the total blood cholesterol and help you in improving your good cholesterol levels. This will perhaps reduce the risk of your heart disease. Drink number 2. Amla, lemon and green tea water. Take a glass of water, then slice amla or gooseberry and add the slices into it. Further, add a few drops of lemon and finally dip a bag of green tea into the water. So let it stay for some time and then your perfect health drink is ready. It is good for your digestion, it manages your weight, it burns fat, regulates your blood pressure levels and is full of antioxidants. That means this drink is going to be great for your skin health too. So try out this drink right away. Drink number 3, kiwi and ginger drink. So start by taking a glass of water, add sliced kiwis to it. You can use small slices or as per what you like. We would suggest you to have medium to small size of kiwis. And you can also then further slice ginger and add small slices of ginger into it. And then you can further boil this drink and refrigerate for some time or drink it after soaking for 10 minutes. Packed with antioxidants, these ingredients are full of nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, folate, potassium, etc. They are a good source of fiber too, and they can improve your immunity, your eyesight, birth defects, and also aid with weight loss. So if you are planning to go on a weight loss journey by improving your overall health this summer, then you must try out these 3 amazing easy to make drinks right at home, and also share your feedback in the comment section down below. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos like these. This is me, Purnima Pandey, signing out.